similar to how people can use Soar to publish their online works of art and map-based items. You can also use it to display research, right? So a couple of videos ago, I talked about this project I did with my drone with gypsy moths. As part of that project, I also made a academic poster, which is pretty common in my world. Professors will do research and then put it on a poster and send it off, and sort of summarizes everything they've done. So kind of the final results here in the bottom right, as well as these boxes with information in them about the drone that I used and the number of pictures I took and my settings I used, and kind of just gives a one-shot view of everything I did. And I posted this when I did it a few years ago. Posted this, put it on the wall, put it in conferences. And now it just kind of sits in my hard drive. Well, I'd love for the rest of the world to see it. I'd love for people to use this data or just know that I'm working there. Maybe they would reach out to me and say, hey, can we have that data? Like, I'd love to see those pictures. We're looking for something else, or whatever it might be, right? Like, just to use the information. I uploaded it up into Soar, geo-referenced it to the Thompson Street Reservation. I've got all the data in here so people can kind of see what it is, my contact information, hashtags. I can link this, to if I want to email, say, hey, I did a project years ago in that area. Check it out, right? They can click on this, go to Soar, get the poster, get all the additional context around it. So very useful that way. Another maybe more straightforward way would be something like this, right? Here is a hillshade continuously updated digital elevation model by, by NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the federal guys that deal with weather and marine stuff. So they have some data here. Christopher Amante has uploaded this. I believe he works for NOAA. And great data set, gives you more information about it. And you can get it out there, and you can also get it out here like with one click, get to the actual paper that explains what these data sets are all about, or if he had written a specific paper about this area, you could link to that paper and just get information out there. And I think that's the beauty of SOAR. It connects people. I think that's incredibly powerful. Maybe one of the things that people don't quite understand, like just the ability to people to work together, see what everyone's doing, and this is how it gets done, right? Through putting it up online and having web links. And if you see other data in this area, if I'm looking around, I say, oh, here's some SAR data from Umbra, from the MIT Media Lab. Umbra is the company that has the satellites. Same area, two great data sets. Could probably do a lot with this, right? So it's connecting things that might not be connected otherwise, and I think that's where the real magic is. So I'm hoping that people use SOAR and put up all the information that they have, all the projects they've already done years ago, get it up there, let other people use it, spread it out, and I think it's an amazingly powerful way we can use SOAR. All right. Get those projects and get that research out there.